Good afternoon, viewers. Hope you have an amazing day. It's Monday, June 27th, 2022. It's around 3 pm and the temperature is 31 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am walking beside Ina Lake. Let's walk. This is Ina Lake. It is located at Kabaraya Pagoda Road. It is one of the most tourist attractions in Yangon. This is the sightseeing of the lake. Beautiful greenery surrounded this lake. This is a nice place for recreation. Beside the lake there are lots of palm trees. This is Kabaraya Pagoda Road. There are lots of green plants and flowers beside this lake. This man is trying to catch fish. This is 5-star Hotel Melia beside the lake. It is one of the luxurious hotel in Yangon. Over there are some taxis in the taxi stand. There are some street vendors beside the lake. This is Myanmar Center Tower. Most of corporate offices are located here. People are coming with friends for relaxing. Over there, that is Myanmar Plaza. This is a luxurious shopping mall in Yangon. People are taking photographs beside the lake. As you can see over there, these are some street food stalls. People are buying street food. Quite busy traffic in the Kabaraya Pagoda Road. People are enjoying the surrounding atmosphere. People are taking a selfie. It's really a mind-boggling beauty of the nature. What a peaceful atmosphere. People who love nature and greenery should come here. People are taking photographs. There is a bus stop beside the lake. You can go to downtown Yangon from this bus stop. As you can see, people are waiting for the bus in the bus stop. Over there is a bus stop beside Myanmar Plaza. After shopping, people can take the bus here. Over there, that is Hotel Sedona. This is a 5-star luxurious hotel. People are enjoying the natural beauty of this lake. This is the modern part of Yangon city. Most of high-rise modern buildings are located here. This is one of the posh area in Yangon city. This is a well-organized neighborhood. Neat and clean green Yangon city. As you can see, this is Hotel Sedona. Over there, a construction project is ongoing. Traffic system of Yangon city is well planned and organized. People are coming with friends to enjoy the natural beauty of this lake. Over there, that is Myanmar Center. Myanmar Plaza is located beside this center. It's really a beautiful lake. People are buying cone ice cream. As you can see, there are some street food stalls beside this road. They are selling some salad here. You can also get chicken fry, sausage, etc. This man is selling chicken barbecue. This is YPS Yangon payment service. People can buy YPS card to pay bus fare. This is taxi stand. This is the bus stop beside the lake. People are waiting for the bus here.